Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the cell that will hold the total, then identify the numeric range you want to add. Type equals sum, and either drag to select A2, A20, or type the range directly. Once done, close the parenthesis and press Enter. The function recalculates automatically. Make sure to use named ranges for clarity if the same range repeats, and remember keyboard shortcuts speed things up. So use Alt plus equals on Windows or the corresponding Mac shortcut to insert SUM quickly. Once you know basic SUM, extend it with conditions. Use SUMIF for one criterion and SUMIFs for multiple. For example, SUMIFs C2, C100, A2, A100, North, B2, B100, 0, sums values that match both rules. If rows expand, switch to filter or array formula so ranges spill dynamically. This avoids manual updates. Also, use named ranges in SUMIFs for readability, and wrap formulas in IFRR when external data might cause errors, which keeps your totals clean and predictable. You finish by formatting the total cell so it displays correctly number, currency, or percent, and lock ranges with $ if you copy formulas. Make sure recalculation settings are automatic, otherwise refresh to update. If numbers don't add up, check for common issues: numeric-looking text, leading spaces, non-breaking spaces, or hidden rows excluded from the range. Use value, trim, or n to coerce values. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes unexpected zeros or missing amounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.